won say kwesi official no no go fa ne beef ba ye no ono na ka say obi a NCZ fire.
So mama good afternoon. Wow, utie me, wow, shame. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you for your support. I want peace to reign.
Now so Afia Vimlady ene K1ngGhana say oh kwesi wa braji wa home hey ye beto ndo kwano so ba. Oh my class with K1ngGhana tells enya sem ko mo say ignorance is a disease. Mebo ntire mu no a kire wadwene ama me. E wo comment section. How PENYAH block media. Best say any day. Obe like video no that my bro subscribe button and click the notification icon up the time be kire wadwene da ama me. E wo comment section. Oba so a no chef first onya bi ahwe. Madia Ghana had our social media. When it comes to political aspect on the social media, I say some people want to instigate culture of silence. Just a young person obiabe can be afa abai we na amemo na yehunu now no more bia and cash and found. And it is so interesting because abrana end is for you omo fie no you know na omo kasa that time na MP before see bia cause bia eye enema ekọ kama egu for the bu aman ni ye na NDC for see there be amemo na cause no enya papa no muka but now enema tane NDC na che konwa so NDC for see bia cause bia no bia Muhammad eye bia no eye but say obi ebe ka se there be ye ne monya adwene de enema e cause no enya papa no mo dwalai o si gise manipa kron kan da asem no o kasa o no Ghana because Muhammad tu na meye o ye o ta Ghana just minim there be a reason we free buy na baka do so sensem ye ana kwesi official ebe kan asem o no na de ne ho be kan the problem that's it obeka the problem kemtra be din atem ema omu kon the back and forth ya ma kemtra be threat kwesi official threat no serious one what I say obe threat no ema medians ebe ye boburuja na ewo mu eno a kwesi official ebe drop another video na all call on Ghanaians say wasremo there be agron akodru no or no he's not ready to go into back and forth with anybody or life ahead or future ahead of him and on person no be abedi dabi it was Ghana for mu kubi man de it was mo de adwebre mo ma koma emra from atemja kemtira di nyina no mo ma koma emra from
So mama good afternoon. Wow, utie me, wow, shame. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you for your support. Abusana Ochiem say I've been in the news. Me gusuwo news nim na enkomo na me kodi nyema bia na me femu as an individual. But unfortunately no, it has been misinterpreted. I be very political, which I don't want to go to that space. I am not a politician, and my page is not a political page. It's me patrol asma me kan no say Mr. POB and I so and I'm a cassette political party B na say ankoya madaroma. I retract. I want peace to reign. I'm a young guy, I'm a so, and I know I have a very brighter future. I don't want to go back and forth with anybody. I don't want to disrespect anybody. And I'm not ready to go banter with any individual or any political party. I am just a peaceful guy. In Timpacho, so we me now say, what can same way be a mepacho? Me say yin na ya di tu e betri baby a eda na yin na ya koyenim. I want to thank you so much, and I want you to take this in good faith. Thank you. God bless you, and God bless Mother Ghana.
but Afia Vimlady any K1ngGhana any some of the TikTokers actually say there be kwesi ewo mu o da wabre tina se ji wa home ma yem pan so bi ba wonom home na fa baton ne maye o ma je baton no every kwesi official now no enye kwesi official bi wo firi mu abeye Kevin Taylor and some of the content creators Ghana, SCD, or you more the power. Oh, say minya free visa to hell. Oh, manko. Oh, me try come say me come me pay Ghana or mind more. We are comedian so Afia Vimlady. Any K1ngGhana, any many others. We join conversation. Now and someone almost catch Kevin Taylor no. Any the leadership of the NDC so far as Kevin Taylor team do obi atem Ghana about omun kana hwe. But so be criticize the government ne pe. Nema police for kwachini bakro. Vimlady wabe blasted.
Otumfo ne ekofre ne tonka. And this same Otumfo more politicians yeah NDC. Moncro for more trio because we do Otumfo them not once, not twice, not thrice, no. And no politicians from NDC has dissociated themselves say, "Asem way I cassette Otumfo menka ho." No. And you see, Otum for oy nyansa for power, Bajuba. Etin anano come tree semre, ye ninkaso. Because being Otum for on these two, one who government come kufo, atamils, Mahama one, a kufuado, or two of for they never listen. Into the amon koso. That's what they want from Crawford Moody Otum for. Look, this, yeah, just say, I don't remember the number of times, sir. And Crawford and cry for them near do matem to the stand and cremophone people for near do in cremophone mukora no crying yeah just say it's terrible. And yet no politician from NDC has dissociated themselves from the attack on groups of people, from attack on Nkremofor, attack on Asante Otumfor, including your favorite regional minister, Ashanti regional minister. I'm me, I am my favorite. That my fire, but my favorite. Because as a young politician, body no ba onyini otuna namo ye no checking near maybe we are TikTok no near maybe you use the TikTok strategically instead of say be attacking for 1 2. I mean, Ashanti regional minister way can be one of the finest politicians Ghana has ever produced. But Nkrofoi Edi Asante fo nyina tem Edi Nkrofo nyina tem Edi just say, and yet we are here and politicians yo omo no mu tua Nkrofo ka no mu di omatem. Then we are now. I sound Nkrofo we are also so omo. What sound ho? It's sad the hypocrisy of your leadership in your politician. Nobody should allow themselves to be bullied into silence. And I'm quoting Yami Bashami, Muslim. Also, no, don't allow yourself to be gaslighted. Don't allow anybody to bully you. The same pressure the same pressure the albino has to deliver for us. And that's why forever President Mahama always have his respect. In terms of you're Democrats or democracy, I say. And that's why I am say President Mahama to me man conform sponsor people to insult people just for expressing their opinion. For what reason? For what reason? Nipa kese semba Ghana on my way be share today ahemfo akese na to be do 19 no mo se o man nyesebo na yedin. And you have the effrontery, you have the gas, you have the nerves. You see to insult in Kofwa Kesesa and Ghana yempe no kre. And nobody has the balls to call some people out for bullying. For bullying in Penny for bully. We have NDC people, NDC agents. I will be betting you threatening judge. Oh, judge, we will be careful. Watch your back. NDC or that believes in the judiciary. And our president also catch her and he said, regional tribunal. And yet the same judge said, we need pay threatening money. And you're one of the regional tribunals. The president said, I mean, he said he has good intention. He's a good person, but the president has to sit up. If you support the judiciary, let us know that you support the judiciary. If you believe in governance, me also you believe in governance. Again, NDC will be from NDC top to bottom. Nobody condemned it. Let us call a spade a spade. Say the MPP time. Yeah, maybe say me fire and another crime and make catches free power. And no, perhaps I'm wrong because and another have an weekend and need trust office. I'm gonna need trust office. I'm gonna need trust. I'm gonna struggle so be any trust office. Maybe. You know, you fire and another. Now I'm for and let me tell you again. Let me tell you what Akufo-Addo said against Dumson and the MPP. Listen to
Dumson had come. And this one has come because of the negligence of this government. Okay. It is because of the actions and their inactions that has led us into this situation. And so they must own up. The politicians must be speaking as well. And not just they should not be pushing. And you see, the way they have compromised state institutions, didn't we make noise about it? You change all the leadership in the power sector and put your stooges there. So the stories they are telling you is the is the politician stories that are being told, except that the people are coming with the face of not being politicians.
See, what's the difference? See, this is what they said. Said and the Akufo-Addo said MPP for kind of credit. And it's true. What a friend said was saying, say yes. And yet, to me, Kase station way, I say, Yendum no Asani are fixing way. He had a point. I don't remember say it will be shared that Chia will be Kase Yembedi because or your Ghanani, and you call it on your Ghanani keke or say a party leader party kesiye. And say don't catch a fire MPP for. But today, a certain guy say Doomso has come. Government institutions thing are corrupt and then you are telling us a different story.
Say what they were brabo mono, a juma passy and be a member of Nibine, be a bit down. The only thing you've been able to make for yourself, and it's a political party, a baby TV stations near the amount, no what's not so no dimped for them. Another thing you've been able to make for yourself, and it's a buy a man for whom. Loud silence media or background, studio background, say TNE, time. And una, utimi yama who, and a true politician nature or my advance. I said, true one cassa mujem, o brebie juma many PENYAH. Unye bida, and so be a one be go be a juma, be a juma, de be a Jimmy Cassa, go be a juma. You don't know the cost, the thing that goes into see a be a juma, into Kwasiakeka. Say youth air cost or youth ye be before no making it. Say youth atoke be na youth them youth air flex here. A idea one air was ja and nipple whom to mo. Into a Katachi school near the Adinina. You were still doubting so Katachi poor even a single certificate. But you see, in the intelligence in nature, when you not be improve wrong, your backhands I won't go square don't we crasiniba. Quite free fa. Till the day a man for whom said this guy is a learned person. In fact, scholarships in United Nakopium America. When you send one casabebre. And you see, when I see people watching your videos, I am who say nipa 10,000 in a home. You want to say Kwasia for 10,000 in a so of which say and 10,000 now a day is a very high number for you to get. You are not even getting it. What call life for the page 3,000? You know why? Because the fools that watches you, or my realize say Jimmy na wo Jimmy. Na kosune Jimmy. Be a juma ni bida, also there be go be a juma. And when you're in Kwasiafobia, what pack you magu WhatsApp group, Moko alive, you are a shout or so mumbejin us no monre. No montron or mammy who says any pack also check Kevin Telebi. Would you also wait, Jimmy? Keep on attacking the youth, our make it for themselves. Economy, they don't have the right to talk about it. Or what's young cookroom to a man found to a baby? Or what about our two cookroom to a sing? The same number of votes are cast here is the same number of votes are almost cast here. Why do you think said you are right to speak about how the economy is going? Offended. Because with Jimmy, which now they can now baby a political party the guy who do be wrong mind. No amount mad Robert no matter that Jimmy would say the world network Ghana it revolves around you. And people are not telling you the nonsense. Once you die hit near the mountain, you die a cry. Because sometimes you good film just says and you done in preco. But when you Jimmy no, that's how stress you should be. I'm yenu bevieno. Not 3,000, 4,000 views now say Unyan. I sat about 1,000. I didn't wait Jimmy sir. And you see, and one of them no my Jimmy to the standard. Even nipa the sumumpo. Kwasia wait me because any misfortune be a cause war. NDC government, blame previous government. Omako dumako sombo and omai say na mwabia die din so say yes akosomo no ni dumso na ekosom previous government na akose na woni nyansa na wonya aboa wo bu mine na woni say aha a power source for the country. You don't have security there. Mobile appointment biara mu hu say ebe hamo mamamwo biara MPP ni na da no biara mu jiwo mu nyina di. The biggest priority, Mahama Bay, and also be stabilizing electricity. Political game now more play no. Many Americans now. This is one name who you. But nipa have been done the team in the echo. On him game, no calculation is simple. 1 + 1 is equal to 2. Calculation in the say, see ya de nenye. Na Ghana for say NDC abon wo Jimmy a yem fan ko share MPP for. Enti de bia yem fan share MPP. And so mo Jimmy mo na mo aban mo mesi say mo wa na enim say the mind is equal. Adwuma bebunu making for themselves ati kan kwa hyesem megu adwuma unsu mi adwuma da ana mwa hwe na obvious say you are making sense on eko waji
Kevin Taylor will send the NDC back to opposition. Mimi you be a minya politics so but sometimes so to one of hwe ne ma bi e koso ye na ye pufuo. Kevin Taylor, are you God? Uyi nyankopon ana se obeji obi anu eduane afiri ni nsem. No, we Yankopon. NDC party now wo show corner ho wo dem wo corner wo studio ho na wo come am de bia no most of them majority of them are very humble, very humble. President Mahama is a very humble president. He listens to the plight of his people. Do you know what it feels like to sleep in Dumso? Do you know when businesses are collapsing because of Dumso? When business and for business are essay and for diaship because of Dumso. Eya no se mu bebre akwakotena brochire ehu de we law ni ye adwuma ye create jobs ama youth no bibia koso kama no se mo soka na mu be ye nyoma bi se na mo ye nwanwa o eya na medwen wa menti ase wuti abrochire wunim se da abrochire tie light kwa ye ndumu no light abrochire ye ndumu no the whole year kwa ye ndumu light. Now nipa bi say wutimi be soka na e be ka say obi aba be ka the distress moment say obre autolight has saw that doom so munti no eno no mu ni akum okoko apai eno nti no wo ba be gina no aduani efi ni nsa we nyankopon ana de bia wo say na wa say person wo yesa so wo bi as wo de wo tumi a wutumi de command masa enough is enough ye you to ya swa show. You need bra brainy a wahano because you create jobs via my ye near din ye pimp and ye BAD. Into Kelvin ye steady. Doom so no, it's not a good feeling to be in that doom so. Now ye can't over threats say you come after bloggers, you come after content creators, and we yankopon. Oh my man who's too much. Adai. I said that such as I want to control NDC to walk can I don't yankopona. Parts in a more humble than you are. NDC more sorry, now money Kelvin Taylor and Casa. Say you be a sort of so yes I mistake. Obama more position. No can't make a trouble. Money Kelvin Taylor and Casa, me say or the mobile position. Obi a what developed country. Be a coso. Share the who display where you. Kelvin Taylor, content creators, and yes, he is slow. I respect being a demand war, and yes, he is slow. Now, to what threatening Abeji and Webian, and you come after again and away and no matter. Only Yanko Pong. Nanko be a wotia broche so then can doom so far home bay. Ah, Obia wotia broche. Nanka doom so if I obey. I want Jim giddy, and I remember when another neighbor, and I must don't bring any patch, I don't know. Won't bring any patch. At the corner officer, Nancy Suna, they be our officer, just a controller, just a wood, what can I and massa. Apostle, that could be Jim. Why, that could be Jim. Enough is enough. And one is an ambe. Ah, you're complaining about doom shout, Abrochena, oh, yeah, what is that? Do you know the Unim Bra Uni must show uni business say. Bra, next time.
Don't try that thing again. And yes, our product I'll go after the product and the companies will come after you and nobody is ever going to call you because all that I have to do is that every product you touch, I will touch it negatively. And I will make sure that nobody calls you to do an ad for them. What I will have to do is say, I'll just have to look at your page. Any company you advertise for, I'll go after the company. And when I go after the company, that company will not call you again. And nobody's going to call you again. That means, don't dare me.
Hey, Kevin Taylor, wouldn't no say. Wouldn't no say. Your mother, me. I say your father. Kwasia, Abuobi to say. You are sitting in the United States enjoying first-class privileges. And you are telling your mother and your father to be okay with failure. You are telling your mother and your father to be sitting down and be okay in darkness and in heat. That's what you are telling us. You have never created a business. You have been a useless person all your life. That's why you think that this doomso is a normal thing to have. You are in the United States. You've never seen light out. You've never witnessed light out with your eyes. And today you are telling us, you are telling the young people in this country who are hungry for employment, hungry to see this country move forward. You are telling us to be okay, to be content with doomso. Every time somebody comes to complain about this useless NDC government, this useless President John Dramani Mahama, who is sitting down and doing nothing and watching botos. Every time somebody comes to complain about this, their incompetent government, this useless person, this useless
Kevin Taylor will come to attack that person. You think you are more Ghanaian than somebody? Abroad, you think your voice is more important than other people's voices? Go and advise that you useless Mahama who is incompetent and is doing nothing but taking our resources and giving to his brother. Go and advise him to fix our lights. There is so much heat in this country. There is so much unemployment, and people are suffering. People are trying to create a life out of this mess in this country. And you are telling us to be okay with doom. So Abua, his father will just be sitting there and be like, and wondering, oh my God, how did I waste my sperm? Because just imagine everybody's dream, America. Everybody's dream is to be in America. You are lucky to have gone to America. And again, on top of that, you are lucky to marry a white woman. And look at how stupid you are. A married man, a father. Okay, this is a father and a husband. Look at his job. Look at his profession. This is what you do. You come to attack other people. You come to insult other people. You think you can silence any Ghanaian? You think we're afraid of you? That useless father and useless mother didn't know what to do with their sperm. That's why they went and wasted it and gave them to a useless man like you, an animal like you. Foolish man, come and insult another Ghanaian again. Come and try to silence any Ghanaian and see. Abua, the moment somebody complains, I will take your food from the table. I will do this. I will do that. Abua, are you the one who gave him life? Are you the one who gave him life? Are you the one who gave him the employment? Stupid man, go and take it.
Chere wadwen fama me e wo comment section. Ayi Penya Block Media. Agra.